Assalamu alaikum guys, Loving Family Kitchen here, and today I present to you a recipe for a British Indian restaurant favorite, the butter chicken. On the screen we've got a list of ingredients for you to follow at home, and we're just going to pan around and show you some of the ingredients that we need. It is a bit of an involved recipe, of course. It requires that you prepare something called a masala base sauce, instructions for which you can find in one of my other videos. And we're going to start off with about 400 grams of diced up chicken breast, and we're going to mix that with some tandoori marinade. This is just a combination of yogurt, lemon juice, chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, and some garam masala powder. If you give that all a good mix, get all the chicken combined in the tandoori masala and let it marinate for a short while before we start cooking. You can see I'm just mixing it all up, getting it all coated well. And then we're going to pour some oil into a grill pan and chuck our chicken into that, just to cook through on the stove top before we throw it under the grill, to attempt to get that sort of tandoori oven char that we so enjoy on our chicken tikka. So about halfway through, we're going to try flip the chicken just to get it cooked on both sides before we put it into the oven on the grill setting. As you can see now, I'm just about to take it out from the oven. I've got a shot of it as it comes out from the oven, looking very chicken tikka-esque. Pop that off to a side. We've got a pot ready now, and we're going to pour some oil into it just to coat the bottom, and we're now about to build our sauce. So first and foremost, we want to put about a spoon or so of garlic and ginger paste into our hot oil. Along with that, just to give it a bit of a kick, I've got a coriander and green chili paste, something that I prepare at home just with some vinegar and some olive oil. Very simple stuff. Gonna mix that up, and we've got a very large cholesterol inducing amount of butter. But hey, it wouldn't be a butter chicken without butter, would it? So yeah, I suppose we've just got to accept it. We're going to let that cook down, and once it's all melted, we've got our masala base sauce. Again, do reference the video on the channel that shows you how to make this particular sauce, and without it, a masala would not be a masala, or a butter chicken would not be a butter chicken. So it's definitely worth learning how to prepare this sauce. And I think we're just about to put our chicken in, and here we go with the chicken. Get it all chucked in there, and you're going to want to mix this in with the sauce to get all the chicken combined. Another sort of bespoke ingredient that you're going to have to prepare is what's called a base gravy. This is something that Indian restaurants typically use as a base for all of their curries, and I've prepared some myself for this particular dish. Unfortunately, I haven't quite prepared a video just yet, but it's definitely coming, guys, so keep your eyes peeled for that video. So in with the base gravy, gonna give that a mix, and we have about 100 milliliters or so of evaporated milk. Now I know a lot of Indian restaurants like to use single cream, but I found evaporated milk works a lot better, tastes a lot better, and it's not quite as heavy. So anyway, give that a good mix, get it all combined, and you can see that we're almost ready. So we're just gonna plate the dish. And I certainly hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, leave us a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Salam.